Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the brand new Stagehand Pro. The Stagehand Pro is a single-axis motion controller capable of tracking, spinning, or lifting any effect up to 5 horsepower. When 5 horsepower isn't enough, we now also offer a 10 horsepower model. The Stagehand Pro has some exciting new features, including load cells, cross-groove detection, improved jogging, as well as better circuit protection. Even with adding all those new features, we were able to shrink it down to 7U. Let's take a look. First thing you'll notice is the new line of circuit breakers here down at the bottom. So now we have mains power protection as well as brake power and control power to better protect your gear. Over here we have our override buttons for forward, reverse, and ultimate limits, as well as a new button for sensor override for load cells and cross groove. The new Stagehand card has improved jogging, and it's as simple as ever. Just press and twist. Over here we have the brake test buttons to be able to test that your motor and load brakes are working properly. Down here we have the VFD keypad to adjust parameters on the fly right at the face of the Stagehand. Looking at the back, you can see that we use the same style connectors from previous generations, as well as added a few new things. Let's check it out. The input power takes 208 3-phase up to 30 amps to power a 5 horsepower motor. The motor connector provides the power for the motor as well as 2 redundant brake circuits. The signal connector takes in 2 channels of encoders, all your limits, and now also takes in load cells and cross groove sensors. New to the Stagehand Pro is the Interlock connector with 4 distinct signals. Forward and reverse interlocks are to stop motion in a specific direction. The all-stop interlock is for stopping all motion on an axis when you don't want it to move. Like for instance, when you have traveler tracks on a turntable. And the external fault can be used for things like thermal relays for multi-motor effects. The new interlock connector works great with the brand new safety interlock as well to bring in crush bumpers and other safety sensors into your system. Also new on the back are 2 low voltage fuses, one for 24 volts to protect your control circuits and one at 5 volts to protect your encoders. Above that we have the e-stop input as well as the Ethernet to connect your Stagehand to Spikemark. Thanks for checking out the brand new Stagehand Pro. The next time you need to track, spin, or lift something, the Stagehand Pro has you covered. See you next time.